Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. So today's topic is explain memory stack. So in this the diagram will be like this, in which there will be first the program counter, then address register and data register. So let's understand this diagram along with the theory part. So the computer memory is divided into three segments: program, data and stack. Same like this, in which the program, data and the stack. After that the PC points to the address of the next instruction in the program. The AR points to an array of the data used to read the operands during the execute phase. The stack pointer points to the top of the stack and is used to push or pop the items. The three registers are connected to the common address bus, and any of them can provide an address for memory access. The stack is initialized with the SP set to 4001 and it grows with the decreasing address. The stack operators on the words and communicate with the DR. So push operation will be like SP, in which the SP-1 will be performed. After that, in the memory, the SP will be pushed by the data register, and for the pop, the equation will be like this. So that's for today's videos. If you have any doubts, then please do comment and comment the next topic on which you want the video. Please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.